Did you know if a woman drank ashwagandha powder every day for 2 weeks, she would reduce anxiety and stress and burn her belly fat? If a woman drank moringa powder every day for 2 weeks, she would eliminate all of her acne and improve digestive health. If a woman drank lion's mane powder every day for 2 weeks, she would boost memory and focus and strengthen her immune system. If a woman drank red reishi powder every day for 2 weeks, she would prevent chronic diseases and support her heart health. If nature didn't make it, don't take it. Find them all in the link in my profile.